What's up, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shruti. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys some random things that I think every girl should own. Been watching me for quite some time now, you know this. I hate doing these sit down videos. Turns out things have changed for me and I've been watching quite a lot of these videos, so I thought that I would do my take on this video and I would show you guys some of the random things that I have been using for the longest time now, and I think everybody should own these things. I'm not gonna specifically dive into like one specific category. I've just randomly picked up few items. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. First things first, I feel like every girl out there should own like one oversized pair of glasses. Now I know those small glasses, like little glasses, are in trend right now, and I personally own a lot of them. But then again, I feel like nothing can ever replace an oversized pair of sunglasses. I feel like everyone should have it. It just gives you that baddie vibe. It's fine, it's okay to wear like those tiny glasses for pictures and everything, but when I'm on the go, walking around the town, in the mall or anything like that, I love my oversized pair of sunglasses. It just gives you that don't talk to me kind of vibe, which I love. It doesn't matter what brand you are using, just make sure that it's like very oversized, completely blocking your face and everything. Moving on to the second thing, some basics. Now by basics, I mean all types of basic. If I were to own like something black, this is like my go-to tank top, but then I also have like a cropped version of this tank top, a black tube, which again goes with everything. The black halter neck top, spaghetti tops. That's what I mean by basics. I mostly own everything in like black and white. Like I love it, and now new favorite color is tan. You can pretty much wear it the way you want to. Next up are some bandanas or scarf. I've always been so obsessed with Pinterest, and there's this new trend that's going on. You can like wear your scarf as your top and it looks so cool and so aesthetic. And yeah, of course, bandana, tie it around your neck, wear it on your hair, pretty much get the maximum use out of it. It's so cool and it makes you look so trendy. Nipple stickers and strapless bras, very important. Thing that I'm wearing right now, you cannot wear like a strapless bra because like it would show and it would peek out from this. Cups are not seen. Of course, you cannot use it if you have like busty chest, but yeah, if not, it really works like a charm for you. For like tube tops and everything, you definitely need like a strapless bra. Deodorant, it's like a must-have. I feel like in India we don't have as many options, but yeah, this is the best that you can get in India. I think Nykaa has a bunch of different deodorant options, but like this you could even find in like a medical store. Really handy. I use this like pretty much every single day. It has 0% alcohol. It's really good. It's very important to use a deodorant. Obviously, you don't want to smell bad. Speaking of not smelling bad, of course, I was going to include perfume in my video. By perfumes, I don't necessarily mean you have to have like a high-end perfume. I even love to buy perfumes from Zara. I feel like their perfumes are really cute. This is the Twilight Mauve. It's very important to not buy perfumes that can easily irritate other people. I personally enjoy wearing like strong perfumes. Like I'm not like a mild perfume lover. I don't like those floral and fruity scents. It depends actually. I really hate it when somebody wears like a really awful perfume. The next important thing, chapsticks. I don't really like the texture of it. Doesn't matter if I love it or not, I have to wear it because of course prevents your lips from chapping. Also lip scrub, like I love to like create my own lip scrub with sugar, honey and everything. I do it like weekly. Once in a week is fine. Next up we have cleansing charcoal nose strips. Does wonders to your skin. Like it literally leaves no black hair. Like, it's very important for all of us to know our shade. The color that I'm wearing right now is the Soar lip liner. This is the lip liner version, exact same shade that MAC has. It's called Meher. And another most favorite lipstick of mine from MAC is Taupe. It goes so well with my skin. I've like literally ran out of it. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I personally love, you know, people wearing those coral lip colors. And for the longest time I've tried finding out the perfect coral shade that would go with my skin. Like, I've gotten like a bunch of them. This is Balmain's collaboration with L'Oreal. The color, I don't remember what color is this, but yeah, it looks like this, and it's this coral orange color. And then I've even gotten this color Runway Hit from MAC. Over the years I've tried like so many coral colors, but for some weird reason they just don't go with my skin tone, and they just don't look as good on me as they would look on somebody else. You know, I've just lost hope. That's the reason it's very important for you to know what shades go well with your skin and what are your go-to colors. Yeah, that is that. Next up are body lotions. Anything and everything that includes good fragrance, I'm up for it. And body lotion actually literally keeps your body moisturized at all times. I love when my skin feels smooth. Obviously, who wouldn't like to smell good at all times? Of course you would. And at the cost of even leaving your body moisturized, it's like a win-win. So yeah, that was all. There's like too many things. I just thought of this video in the morning. Tried to include as many things as I possibly could. So yeah, those were pretty much all the things that I feel like every girl should own. Comment down below and let me know what are you guys' must-haves, or what do you guys think that every girl should own. I would really like to know what are you guys' must-haves and your favorites. And that was it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Possible thing that who is fucking texting me? Rituja's also watching Gossip Girl, and she's like, why the fuck is Jenny taking Nate from Serena? Who's your favorite Gossip Girl character? Who do you like? Mine's Chuck. I love Chuck. I love Nate also.